Tantric massage is for everybody, and that's also what we see in the Tantra temple, that it's like all kinds of people who are coming, men, women, alone, in couples, young, old, wealthy or not so wealthy, people with problems or even traumas, other people who are very healthy, very open, just curious to learn more about themselves. So actually, it's for everybody, and it starts exactly where you are. That's the beauty about Tantra massage. You don't need certain qualifications to receive a Tantric massage. It starts exactly where you are. If Tantra, it's also said that Tantra is a science of living your life fully. So from that angle, we would say Tantra massage is an experience of living your life fully, where you have like an experienced guide who's guiding you on a tour through your inner universe to discover what do I have here with me in my life. You know, all the hidden human potential comes out.